My name is Carla Reyes Garcia, and I'm going to summarize Chapter 4 Ecosystems and Communities. The first topic is climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition of sunny one day but rainy and cold the next. Climate, on the other hand, refers to average conditions over long periods. A region's climate is defined by a year-after-year patterns of temperature and precipitation. Environmental conditions can vary over small distances, creating microclimates. For example, in the northern hemisphere, south-facing sides of trees and buildings receive more sunlight and are often warmer and drier than north-facing sites. As shown in Figure 4.1, these gases, called greenhouse gases, function like glass in a greenhouse, allowing visible light to enter but trapping heat. This phenomenon is called the greenhouse effect. If greenhouse gas concentrations rise, they trap more heat, so Earth warms. Every species has its own range of tolerance, which is the ability to survive and reproduce under a range of environmental circumstances, as shown in the Figure 4.4. A species' tolerance for environmental conditions then helps determine its address or habitat, which is the general place where an organism lives. A niche describes not only what an organism does, but also how it interacts with biotic or abiotic factors in environment. A niche is the range of physical and biological conditions in which a species lives, and the way the species obtains what it needs to survive and reproduce. The term resource can refer to any necessity of life, such as water, nutrients, light, food, or space. The competitive exclusion principle states that no two species can occupy exactly the same niche in exactly the same habitat at exactly the same time. The predation is an interaction in which one animal captures and feeds another animal. An interaction in which one animal feeds on producers is called herbivory. Any relation in which two species live closely together is called symbiosis, which means living together. There are three types of symbiosis: mutualism, parasitism, and commensalism. The first one, which is mutualism, is where they both benefit. The second one, that is parasitism, is where one is on the other one and it is harming it. And the commensalism is the relation in which one organism benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed. It's called primary succession, the succession that begins in an area with not remnants of another community. The secondary succession occurs where a disturbance affects the community without completely destroying it. The pioneer species are named after rugged human pioneers who first settled the wilderness. It exists three types of zone in the water depth, which is the photic zone, where there's light so it can happen the photosynthesis, and the aphotic zone, where photosynthesis cannot occur, and also the benthos zone, where benthos are the organisms that live in the rocks. There are also the plankton, that is a general term that includes both phytoplankton and pseudoplankton.